how to fix GTA 5 lag when driving isn't quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do, just go to settings and then go to update and security. Now make sure to install all the updates here, and then just go back after installing the updates. Go back, restart your PC, and if that doesn't fix your problem, then just open Task Manager and close all the applications that you don't need here. You will find it like that. If you want to know the applications that takes a lot of your memory, just click here. Click here, and now here's it. Here will find applications that takes your memory like Google Chrome. Right click and click End Task, and I hope that can help you, and it's easy. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.